Badam Halwa is one of those desserts that feels like a warm hug in every bite. And the best part about this recipe? No flour, just almonds, ghee, milk and sugar. Let's get started. Add some ghee to a pan. While the ghee is getting hot, let's grind the almonds coarsely. Don't make it into a paste. Remember to soak the almonds overnight and dry them after peeling to remove any moisture. Now add the ground almonds into the ghee. Keep the flame on medium. Stir for 10 minutes until the almonds turn brown. When the almonds release an aroma, it means that they are roasted. Boil the milk in another pan. Add in sugar, some cardamom powder and some saffron milk. Let the milk simmer so the sugar dissolves. Finally, add the milk to the roasted almond paste. Put it back on a low flame and stir continuously until the halwa thickens. Lastly, to garnish, add some almonds and pistachio flakes and mix well. Keep stirring until the ghee comes on top. There you go. Our perfect Badam Halwa is ready. Do try this amazing recipe and get ready for all the compliments. Stay tuned for more recipes. Eat well, live well and stay blessed.